start first with the spinach. We're starting with the spinach first, pretty much just because it'll get chewed up faster and so everything will sink to the bottom a little faster. That's what I'm hoping. And then we're gonna add in the chickpeas and the black beans as well to make sure they don't run away. Add in the onions and the garlic. Then add in the salt, the chili flakes, the flax seeds, ground flax seeds, a little easier, and the lemon juice and the olive oil. Now, if you need to add a little water to this, go right ahead. You probably will. I probably will. But we're just going to take it and blend it up, and that's it. That's it, guys. That's all there is to it. All we have to do now is spread. Alright guys, that's it. Isn't that easy? Told you it was easy. So simple to make. Quick. Maybe like 10 minutes and you're all done. So, if you like this video, please remember to hit that like button, leave a comment below, tell me what you thought. Don't forget to subscribe, as well as hit that little notification bell at the bottom so you always know when I post new videos. I'm gonna go eat this because it smells so good. You go make yours, and I'll see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.